Lord, sometimes I realize it's not the situation that needs to change. It's me. So often, I've asked you to fix what's around me, when you've been trying to work on what's within me. It's not the people, the timing, or the circumstances that need rearranging. It's my pride, my impatience, my stubbornness, my constant need to stay in control. I've been trying to shape the outcome instead of letting you shape my heart. So here I am, Lord, surrendering again. Break what needs breaking. Heal what needs healing. Strip away anything that keeps me from becoming who you've called me to be. Teach me to trust, to wait, and to love like you do. Make me more like you, Jesus.